Hey, welcome to the video. Tim Thomas here. In this video, we're going to talk about wealth step by step, some mailing lists that we're working on. We're going to mention something about American bill money, and we're going to wrap it all up into one video. We're going to roll the intro, and I'll get back with you on the other side. Tim Thomas here. Go ahead and like the video, hit the like button, tap the notification bell so when I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. Great things are happening. People are joining Wealth Step by Step on a daily basis, and we're seeing signups are coming in record number, and we could not be more excited. People are getting excited, guys and gals, about this opportunity to make $10,000 per month in this 3x7 force matrix, and it's only going to cost you $28 to get started, $28 per month, and that is incredible. Of course, as an income disclaimer, in life nothing happens until you take action, and you do a lot of it. Our team leader Greg Bethay sent out a update as he does on a regular basis. We got an update just on yesterday. I'm gonna read through some of it and go from there. When you get a chance, folks, a lot of people ask me, well, Timothy, what are you involved with as far as residual income opportunities? You can check out the playlist on my channel here, and that'll show you everything I'm involved with. I have a playlist built for the programs. What I do is big ticket on the front, and on the back end, we're building the residuals, the residual income programs that we want to build out the 5 figures per month. And we've got some programs that you can get big upfront money. I'm talking about $100, $300, $500, $1,000, $1,500 per sale right up front. And that's what we're leading with. And on the back end, we're building residuals. So here are our programs that we've got going on. We're very excited about them. And we're going from there. My main residual income programs is going to be, of course, American bill money. We got a conference call every Tuesday, which is the second, and the fourth Tuesday of each month. Make sure you go. American bill money is exploding to the upside, and people are joining that thing on a regular basis, on a daily basis. And also VIP club is just moving fast, and wealth step by step. Can you mail this flyer right here? This flyer that Greg has come up with is incredible. It's life-changing, and you can get this flyer, folks. We've got it on special. You can customize it to you, save it to your desktop, and then you can order this flyer from Best Value. You can order it directly from Greg Bethay, and you can win like that. So we're very excited. We want to look quickly at this news update that Greg had sent out just from the time of recording this video 2 hours ago. It says, good evening, Wealth Step by Step members and future members. This email is just for the new members who have joined the last few days, and we want you to be up to date on the latest news. Man, I'm so excited about Wealth Step by Step business. Our group is starting to grow at a fast speed ahead. Folks are seeing how simple it is and how life-changing this monthly income can be from home. Folks, anybody can mail the flyer. Greg is absolutely right. Folks, this is a residual income machine, and rarely something this special comes along that we can grab a hold of and take advantage of. He says, before I get ahead of myself, just some updates. I want to say that the economy has changed, and sadly, to think we don't think it's going to get any better. Right now, people are seeing record job losses, high food prices, basic needs, rent, mortgage payments are through the roof. Car insurance is getting higher, increasing utilities, and all of this. Why is it crucial for you to start building a monthly stream of income? Folks, I'm talking about enjoying your life, doing the things that you want to do, going where you want to go, and you become financially wealthy through and by systems of automation, where you're in a matrix, you're in a team that you're getting help from the upside, which is your upline, and everybody in that matrix, everybody that below you is working with you in that matrix, and you're growing income together. Folks, wake up. This is incredible. Achieving financial freedom this year, going into 25, is yours for the taking. Here's a video presentation that we've done. I've done it myself about our direct mail business opportunity and marketing system. The reason that I joined Wealth Step by Step is Greg has developed us a flyer, and he created us a slide presentation. And I got special information for the slides presentation, but we're going to go from there. Sidebar note, I am going to be talking quickly in this video about mailing lists. Sidebar note, we're going to go back to mailing lists, but don't click off the video. We're going to talk about prime choice list, and we're going to be talking about Northco. Prime choice list and Northco mailing list. We're going to talk about that. These are the two that we're recommending in this video. Of course, I do like Wilson's list. We'll talk about Wilson's list on another video, but I'm going to be hammering prime choice list and Northco. Get those two lists. I had mixed feelings about prime choice at one time, but I went back. I'm recommending them again. All right, as a sidebar note, we'll come back to that. Let's finish up this what Greg has sent out to us. Greg has created us a slide presentation where I took the liberty and I made a video around it. And if you're interested in doing your on-video presentation, listen up, YouTubers. Listen up, TikTokers, those of y'all that want to do, you can download the presentation documents right here. Greg has it in his email. And you're able to edit the presentation documents with your web step-by-step video link in there. So everybody can do the same thing that I did. And then you can do your own presentation. That is powerful, folks. You're talking about causing your team to grow. We had members come in over the weekend. And I want to say thank you to all of you that have partnered with me over the last few days in these programs. I mean, I am seeing record signups on a daily basis in these programs, and we're excited. Web Step by Step's members are joining the company every day. For those of y'all that don't know, Web Step by Step has been around since since 2021. It's a worldwide business opportunity. The owner is Adam Walker. In your back office, you will be given an option on how you want to be paid monthly. Do you want to be paid through Cash App, Zelle, Wise for U.S. or international, Bitcoin for international only? You can set up your Wise account today. It's very simple, folks. You can have your Wise account set up very simple. Here's our awesome direct mail sales letter. Look at that thing, folks. It has psychological triggers on it. And here it is. Here's our powerful marketing system. Our flyer is just absolutely, this is the machine behind all of our efforts. If we can get everybody on the team, can you imagine 100 people mailing this thing? Folks, we could build this thing out to 10 grand per month in 1 year's time. It is absolutely possible. Direct mail has never been this good, and it's only getting better. And I am extremely excited. Jose Green is fired up to see the results that we're seeing in this program, and we could not be more excited. The ways to build wealth. Folks, Greg has created for us also a 24-hour message line. I want you to pause this video, go to this call here, get excited, folks. I'm talking about the income of your dreams, going to your favorite restaurant, staying as long as you want to stay, not having to go to a job in the morning. But your time, your life belongs to you, doing the things that you love to do with the people that you love the most, and not having to ask for a day off or extra vacation. But you have money coming in on a consistent residual basis, folks. This is income that will last a lifetime. Folks, here you can hear how simple this presentation is. It's just that simple. Everyone will have access to the team letter. You can edit it with your name, your phone number, and your website will be on the team letter. You can download the sales letter right here at our website at www.yourplantowealth.com. You must be on the desktop or laptop or a computer in order to get the letter. So you can download it right here to take you to this website, yourplantowealth.com, while it's opening up, and you can download it. It's just that simple. For a limited time only, what he is offering, Greg, our team leader, is offering, here's the website. Make sure, guys, that you get on the email list so you can get regular updates as Greg sends them out to keep us updated on the necessary information from Wealth Step by Step. They are powerful. So I want you to get that. Right now, for a limited time, you can get the color flyers for only $125, a phenomenal value. Yes, you heard that correctly. You can purchase 1,000 of these color flyers for only $125. You can click the link to download it, and you're ready to go. Folks, we'll up step by step. Every time you bring in somebody for $28, you're going to get a $25 fast start bonus paid directly to you. Directly to you, a $25 fast start bonus. Folks, this is second to none, so very excited about that. And Greg, we have an optional insert to use, and here's how it works. I'm gonna just let you see that on the startup cost. Very powerful. Some people are using it, some people are not. It's not required. The main thing is that you get started, get to enjoying these fast start bonuses, and then potentially earn $9,873 in monthly income in 7 months. Here's the worst scenario. If it took one person the whole month to just sign up 3 new members in the Wealth Step-by-Step Business Opportunity, 7 months time, if they have joined, they would be still earning, right at $9,873 in monthly income. Folks, if the members just did the same thing, that is powerful. Remember, the monthly income scenario could not happen a lot sooner because you will have members. It could happen a lot sooner because members on the team offer to reimburse their new member the startup cost. So I'm going to leave it right there. We want you to get started. This is the force matrix, and it is powerful. You only have 3 people on the first. As your third level, your first level gets full, it's going to go to the second level, which is 9. You're going to go to the third level. Once the third level is full with 27, then you're going to the fourth level. Once the fourth level is full, you're at 81 people, so on down through the 7th level. And this is your income monthly. Folks, we're going there. Very excited about it. We have a Zoom presentation, and we can get ready to go. Now, let me show you something. I'm going to put this website here up under the video. Jose gave this to me, pointed this out. It's earnwithoutsponsoring.com. There's a video that explains this program, how this thing works in detail. What you want to do is check out the video. Click on one of the links below up under this video, earnwithoutsponsoring.com. It's going to give you how powerful this monthly subscription program. Once you make the sale one time, these people are connected to you for a lifetime. We can go from there. These are other helpful videos, and we're going to go from there. So Wealth Step by Step is my second income stream that we have added. Let's go back to the YouTube channel that we have added with the American Bill Money and the VIP Savings Club. Let's go over here and talk about mailing lists that we're using. Let me click back over here. Okay, we're looking at Prime Choice List, TJT Direct. A good mailing list to use, one of the best in the business, bar none. Now, let me tell you all about mailing lists. Now, let me tell you, there is no magic formula in any of these mailing lists. It's always consistency over time, not putting all your mailings in one list, but diversifying, meaning that if you're going to do a certain amount of mailings in a month, you're going to divide it up among 2 to 3 lists minimum. 2 to 3 lists, and constantly rotate your mailings. Well, what do you mean by that? Well, okay, for myself, okay, if I'm going to do 3,000 pieces of mail, I'm going to divide it up among 3 different lists this month. And I'm going to try to keep track of it as best I can so I can know where my signups. Now, let me tell you, you're going to get nixies. It is inevitable. All these lists, some worse than others, some better than others. You will get return mail. You will get nixies. People will reverse mail you. That is all a part of growing your business out to 10 grand per month. That's the nature of a beast. Period. End of discussion. Period. And with Prime Choice Mail List, it is a good list that I'm recommending. And if I'm going to mail 3,000 out, I'm going to put 1,000 in Prime Choice. I'm going to put 1,000 in Wilson's, and I'm going to put 1,000 in Northco. And that's how I'm going to keep rotating it out. And then the next month, I may do 1,000 in Prime Choice, 1,000 in Northco, and then I'll go grab maybe All American Print and Mail. I'll get that and throw that in there. So I'm constantly having a good flow, a good mix of recommended mailing lists. There is no secret formula to any of these lists. But over time, if you diversify and if you stay the course, you will win with these mailing lists. So we're recommending this mailing list. If you need any of these copies of a mailing list, email me. Send me an email. I'll put my email below, and I'll send you a copy of Prime Choice mailing list. We have premium buyers, 100% buyers, folks who have recently spent money making on a money-making offer. You're going to get the same names to use in your own mailings. This marketing company has over 35 years. We're not a list broker representing different mail lists. It's a huge difference. You will find these names that can win. Prime Choice list. We have buyers on these lists, and they've been in business for 35 years. You can even call the company. If you have any questions, you can pause the video, call and talk to Terry, and tell him I recommended you. He'll get you hooked up. So, Prime Choice list. Here's what we're recommending. It's a postcard for Prime Choice list. And also, we're going to go to Northco. Northco, we offer quality names at excellent prices. Not trying to pull your leg as some other vendors do. Northco has a double your money guarantee, meaning that they'll give you 10 free names plus your postage for every return label that's returned 60 days from the date it was shipped. And folks, average is about 47% average for Nixie. So great mailing list with Northco. If you want to order today, well, Tim, which one would you order today? I'll order Northco first, and then I will order Prime Choice, and then I will order Wilson's in that order. Northco, Prime Choice, Wilson's, and you'll win. Folks, that's my presentation for today. Wealth step by step. Let's get you started. Let's get you signed up. Build wealth forever. Folks, next year, we're going to have a lot of people with this created flyer up to 10 grand per month. It's possible and is on the horizon. Let's get started today. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure we get on the American Bill Money conference call also.